Welcome to the first lecture in the 6-step Relational Database Design e-learning series. In this lecture, we'll explore relational database design and the 6-step relational database design process. We will discuss relational database design, the relational database design process, and relational database design in 6 easy steps. Relational database design. What is a relational database? A relational database can be seen as a collection of organized and interrelated data on a related subject or topic. This data is organized into sets, known as relations or tables, and each set of data may be related to another set of data, and there are rules regarding how each set of data is made up and how one set of data can be related to another set of data. In this example, users is one set of data, and it is related to roles, another set of data. What is relational database design? The word design can be used as either a noun or a verb. As a noun, it represents something tangible, the final product of a process. And as a verb, it refers to the intangible act of creating that product, a process. Therefore, relational database design refers to the process of creating a crow's foot relational model diagram. This is an example of a crow's foot relational model diagram, the end product of the relational database design process. The relational database design process. The 4 main stages of database development are the problem specification, the conceptual model, the implementation model, and the relational database. This means that the database design process takes you through 2 different models, the conceptual model and the implementation model. Conceptual models are concerned with the logical nature of the data and what is being presented, and implementation models are concerned with the physical nature of the data and with how the data will be represented in the database. Generally, conceptual models are concerned with the user's view of the data, and implementation models are concerned with the developer's view of the data. The entity relationship model is a conceptual model, and the relational model is an implementation model. Relational database design in 6 steps. The 6-step relational database design process produces 2 conceptual model diagrams, one simple and one detailed, and an implementation model diagram. A simple ER diagram is produced after step 3, a detailed diagram after step 5, and an RM diagram after step 6. Thus, the 6-step relational database design process is fully compatible with the 4 stages of database design and development. The 6 steps. Step 1. Discover entities and assign attributes. Step 2. Derive unary and binary relationships. Step 3. Develop a simplified entity relationship diagram. Step 4. List assertions for all relationships. Step 5. Create a detailed entity relationship diagram using the assertions. Step 6. Transform the detailed entity relationship diagram into an implementable relational model diagram. Here is a summary of what we covered in this lecture. A relational database is a collection of organized, interrelated data centered on a specific subject or topic. Relational database design refers to the process of creating a crow's foot relational model diagram. There are 4 main stages of relational database design: the problem specification, the conceptual model, the implementation model, and the relational database. The database design process takes you through 2 different models, the conceptual model and the implementation model. 6-step relational database design creates a crow's foot relational model diagram in 6 easy steps. You can learn more about the 6-step relational database design process by visiting my website, fidelcaptain.com, by purchasing a copy of the book on amazon.com, or by downloading the ebook on Kindle.